Today, I'll show you how to enter Adobe Acrobat license key. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you are not signed in yet, Adobe may ask you to sign in with your Adobe account. Enter your email address and password, then continue. In many newer versions of Adobe Acrobat, your license is connected to your Adobe account instead of a license key. So, if you bought Acrobat online, you may only need to sign in with the same Adobe account used for the purchase. After signing in, Acrobat should automatically activate if your subscription or license is active. If Adobe asks for a serial number or license key, enter the code exactly as it appears in your purchase email, product box, or Adobe account. Be careful with letters, numbers, and dashes. A small mistake can stop the license from working. After entering the license key, click Activate, Submit, or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. Wait for Adobe to verify the license. If the license is accepted, Acrobat should unlock the paid features. To check your account status, click Help at the top menu, then look for options like Sign In, Sign Out, Activate, or Manage My Account. If you see your account signed in and Acrobat is working without trial messages, your license is active. If the key does not work, check that you are using the correct Adobe product. For example, an Acrobat standard key may not work for Acrobat Pro. Also, check that the license has not already been used on too many devices. If you bought Acrobat through your company or school, you may need to sign in with your work or school Adobe account instead of entering a key. If you still have problems, go to your Adobe account page and check your plans and products. So, to keep it simple, open Adobe Acrobat, sign in with the Adobe account connected to your purchase, enter the license key only if Acrobat asks for it, and complete the activation. And that's how you enter Adobe Acrobat license key. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.